this spectacular penthouse in the exclusive Oak Ridge Condos, located in Northeast Ann Arbor. It feels a world away, yet it's near the U of M North Campus, Huron Hills Golf Course, shopping, dining, plus a short drive to downtown. Hi, I'm Mary Jo Hahn with the Bama Group, and I'd like to welcome you to one of Ann Arbor's most luxurious condo units, Oak Ridge Condos. Today, I want to highlight my listing at 3000 Glazier Way. It is the penthouse unit and features over 3,700 square feet of luxury living. We have a spacious dining room along with a living room, 3 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Come take a look. Never worry about snow or stairs with 3 parking spaces in the secured underground parking garage and an elevator outside your front door. Welcome to the penthouse unit at Oak Ridge Condos. This is one of the larger units featuring over 3,700 square feet. It has a lovely private entryway, and as you can see, it has a very spacious entertaining area. Enjoy the stunning views from one of 2 patios located in this unit. There are views from the east, west, and south, and the backdrop is the beautiful Oak Ridge Nature Area. This is every nature lover's dream. To schedule your private showing, please give me a call today at 734-761-3060. Thank you.